Here we have this super cute ATM savings bank. It looks exactly like a mini ATM, and it even comes with its own little ATM card. In order to use the majority of the functions, you will need to put the card in there and enter in your code, which can be changed later. The buttons available allow you to turn the sound on and off, change the time, change your code, check your balance, clear, or withdraw. There's quite a lot of space in the bottom for both coins and bills. It is able to recognize coins by size, so when you put them in there, it automatically adds it to your total. As for bills, you do have to press the correct denomination in order for it to add correctly to your total, and it will not accept a bill until you have pressed one of the denomination buttons. My machine's specifically for Canadian dollars, but they do come in several different currencies. If you want to withdraw, you just press the withdraw button, then the orange button, and there's your money right there. You will also need to enter in the amount that you've taken out. You will not be able to see the balance or withdraw or anything along those lines without the card being in the machine, so you do need to enter that in as well as your code in order to have access to those features.